Just got in the bedside nightstand. We're gonna go from this to this, and then we're gonna check it out. Got the nightstand put together. Y'all check it out. You can charge your phone on there. You can change the color of the lights by touching this. Let me scoot the... Pretty cool. Has lights that will light up the floor down here. And the LED lights are up in the top right there. This drawer has a lock on it. You just put the combination on there and turn it and it will open. It locks like that. There's a nice little drawer here. And up here where you change the lights color also has the charger for your phone that you can just lay your phone on here. And it will charge. Has a USB outlet as well as a USB Type-C outlet. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We will definitely get some use out of it. It was fairly easy to put together. No major issues. We like it.